Welcome to Wooded Valley, a quiet place with trees, a pond, and no traffic. A 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home in Holt Schools convenient to all amenities. Great curb appeal with stately columns on the covered porch. Enjoy the great room that is open to the dining area and kitchen. The kitchen includes all appliances, a pantry, and recessed lighting. Notice the main floor laundry with washer and dryer, half bath on the main. Six-foot slider to the no-maintenance deck, great for relaxation or entertaining. The second floor includes 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The master bedroom has a large sitting window, walk-in closet, and private master bath. The other 2 bedrooms have double closets and share a community bath with a tub and shower. The finished lower level features 9-foot basement walls and egress windows, 2-car attached garage, 5-star energy-rated home.